In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. If your camera isn't showing up properly in Microsoft Teams or Teams can't detect it at all, don't worry. This is usually caused by a setting inside Teams or a permission issue in Windows, and both are fairly quick to check. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get your camera working again. First, open your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, because the next setting needs to be changed directly inside Teams. Once you're in Teams, go to the top right corner and click the More Options icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, look to the left-hand panel and click Devices. In the Devices section, find the video area. Here, you'll see a camera drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and make sure the correct camera is selected. This is important because if you have more than one camera connected, such as a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, Teams may be trying to use the wrong one. Selecting the correct device here often fixes the issue immediately. If the right camera is already selected and it still isn't working, the next thing to check is camera permission in Windows. Open the Start menu and click Settings. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and choose Privacy and Security. From there, scroll down until you find Camera, then click it. Inside the camera settings, make sure camera access is enabled for apps and specifically check that Microsoft Teams is allowed under the section for letting apps access your camera. If this permission is turned off, Teams won't be able to use your webcam even if the device itself is connected and working properly. After confirming that the permission is enabled, the last thing to do is restart Teams. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the up arrow to show hidden icons in the system tray. Find the Teams icon, right-click it, and choose Quit Teams. This completely closes the app, which is helpful because simply closing the window may not fully restart it. Then open Microsoft Teams again and check whether your camera is now working. Restarting the app allows it to reload your updated settings and permissions, which is often the final step needed to solve the problem. And that's it. By checking the selected camera, allowing camera access in Windows, and restarting Teams, you can usually fix this issue in just a few minutes.